Okay, YouTube, it's your boy Mark from Loose Screws Reviews back again with another video. And today I'm going to be doing a review of a smart nightlight. Alright? Yep, I did say smart nightlight. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Tell a friend, and stay tuned towards the end of the video where I'll be giving information about a giveaway on the channel. Alright? Alright. Now that we got all that business and politics out of the way, let's get to the video. Yes, today I'm gonna be doing a review on the new Amazon Echo Glow. Right? It's if you have like a Echo Amazon Alexa device, whatever, this pairs right with it. All right, and you're gonna need that in order to use this device. And before we go any further, if you guys have Amazon Alexa, go ahead and take the time out to go ahead and mute those right now, because I'm gonna be saying that wait word a lot during the video. Alright, take your time. Alright, you back? Cool. Alright, let's get to it. Here's the box that comes in, and it says Echo Glow. It's a smart nightlight, a multicolor smart lamp for your Echo. Now you're gonna need a Alexa device in order to use it. So it says right here from Amazon, and it works with Alexa. See the back, the side of the box, Wi-Fi, tap control, and it says you can tell it, you know, how to set a timer and all that, and you can set routines as well. And here's a picture of the back of the box showing you all the different colors that can come in. I've already opened it up and playing with it, but you know, I put it back in the box for the video. Multicolor smart lamp designed with families in mind. Kids can create and choose. So basically they could choose different scenes, colors, whatever, you know, something for the kids to play with. And it tells you what's included. It's the Echo Glow included, power adapter, and what's needed: compatible Echo device or the Alexa app on your phone running iOS, Android, or Fire iOS. If you have a Fire tablet, then you could use that to control it as well. And they got specifications on here. Lumens, about 100 lumens, so not a real bright light. Like I said, it's a night light, so it's a warm white and also colors an LED, so it's LED lamp. Not for children under 3. So you know, I mean, like if you have like a child that's like 1 year old, 2 years old, and you want to put a night light in there, yeah, you could use it for that, you know, and just keep it out of their reach or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you could use it for that, but like I said, it's not. But you don't want a child under 3 years old playing with this, alright? Because it said it on the box. But you could use it as a nightlight for their room. Alright? We got all of that. That's common sense. You know, let's go. Alright? It has this bottom box. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. No chattering. Open the bad boy up. And this is what you get. You get the device itself with a nice long cord. Take the plastic off of there. You got your instructions. You want to keep those instructions, put them to the side, because you're going to need these instructions. And on one of these instructions, we get it a little bit closer. It tells you different, you can pause this and read it for yourself. It tells you different feature commands you can give it for it to work, what have you. So you can pause this and read it for yourself. And other things you could try. So like I said, this is things you can try. And here's some other stuff on the back of it. Alright, these are just examples. Alright, put that to the side. And that's all that comes in the box. You got your power block right here, which you plug this bad boy in right here, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and, well, before we go any further, let me show you the device itself. This is nice and small. Fits in your hand, fits in one hand. Nice small little device. White in color. And you're gonna need this on the bottom. It has like a rubber ring around it, so it won't move everywhere. And you're gonna need that barcode in order to set it up, because you got to scan that barcode on your Amazon app on your phone in order to get it to working. All right. And let's see, around here, there's really nothing on here. This is real smooth, like hard plastic. You have a power button right here to cut it off and on manually, but you know, I'm gonna demonstrate later on other ways you can cut it off and on. Alright, so that's pretty much it for that. Like I said, nice long cord. Got your little Amazon branding on here. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna pause for a minute so I can go ahead and get this thing plugged up and show you how it works. Alright, hold on. Alright, so you're gonna want to go to your Alexa app on your phone, and then once you get to your Alexa app, choose devices. Then you're gonna go ahead and hit light. You go all the way down. I've named it already, and I've already set it up so the video won't be so long. I got it set up as bunny, and you can cut it off and on by using your app on your phone or your Fire tablet. So check it out. Just turn it on. I can set a color. Go ahead and set color. I'm gonna set the color to red. You can see it turn to red, and you can turn it to turn it to green. Also, they have on here. Let me go back out. You have modes. You can set the different pre-installed like modes on there. So you can set it to campfire. You can set it to Christmas. Let me see another one. You can set it to let's see, disco. So if it goes different colors. You can set it to fire truck. And let's see, let's get another one, a good one on here. Set it to siren. Now it's not making any noise. It's just going to be flashing in different colors. You know, it's going different colors. Now, also, like I said before, even without the app, this is fun for the kids because look, I'm gonna go back and set it to a solid color. Set it to white. All right. So the kids can go ahead and just tap on it to change different colors. So that's a pretty cool feature. You know, they could just tap and hold. Play with it like that, tap it to change the color. But I'm gonna switch to a different angle so you can see how it looks sitting up on my desk. All right, hold tight. All right, now that I have it set up on the desk, I'm using my Echo Spot to go ahead and control it right here, and we have the Echo Glow right here. All right, but before we get to using this bad boy here, I'm gonna go ahead and set some colors on here going through the app. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights down in the studio real quick, and I'm gonna cycle through some of the colors. All right, let me pull the device back up, and I've already named the device Bunny. So we're back to Bunny, and I'm gonna mute my my Echo Spot so it won't go off real quick. So I'm turning it on with the app, and I'm gonna cycle through a few of the colors. Let me turn, matter of fact, let me turn the studio lights off. Alexa, turn off studio.
Okay.
Alright, let's cycle through some of the colors. Red, orange, green, blue, purple, and lavender. About the same thing. So they have like I think it's like about 16 different colors. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and cycle through a few of the modes real quick while I have the app open. All right, this is a solid color mode now. I'm set to campfire. This is campfire. Kind of like try to mimic campfire. All right, this is Christmas. This is the Christmas mode. All right, cycling through, I guess, the like Christmas theme. Here's a color flow. Kind of flows through some of the colors. And here's disco. This is a fun one. Disco. So you know the kids want to have some music playing in the room and have this flickering on off. That's pretty cool. Fire truck. This is called fire truck. This mode is fire truck, so it's kind of like, I guess, mimicking the fire truck lighter, what have you. Let's see here. Let's get another one on here. Another cool one. That's solid color. Let me get another cool one on here. Cool one is siren. Siren kind of mimics the police car lights on top of the lights on top of the police car. So that's a pretty cool one. I think the kids will like that one. And one more. I'm not going through all of them. There's one more. Underwater. Underwater kind of likes mimicking, the greenish, bluish hues of being underwater, and it's kind of like, changing little colors in there. Alright, now I'm going to come out of this and set it back to a solid white. And I'm going to turn the lights back up in the studio. Also, here's some other features. Like I say, what makes it fun for the kids as well is they can tap on it to turn it on, off, and change colors. Like, see? Well, let me turn it on first. Alexa, turn on Bunny.
Okay.
Alright, it's back on. So tap on it. That changes the color. Tap on it again. Just keep tapping on it. And I think kids will probably, have fun just tapping on it, and they ain't worried about breaking it. Just keep tapping it, change different colors. That's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna say I'm gonna use Alexa to set it to different modes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the white mode, and I'm gonna put my phone down.
Sorry, what device?
Alexa, cancel.
Canceling.
Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put it into a mode, alright? Alright. Alexa, set Bunny to siren.
Okay.
That's pretty cool. Let's see, what was another one? Alexa, set Bunny to Christmas.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna do another one, but this one I'm gonna set a timer. Before I set a timer, I'm gonna go ahead and set it back to white. Alexa, set Bunny to white.
Okay.
Alright, so I think I might have this command down right, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Here it goes. I'm gonna set a timer for it, and you'll hear the sound coming out of my Echo device, and you'll see this kind of flashing. All right. Alexa, set a 2-minute rainbow timer on Bunny.
2 minutes. Starting now with Bunny.
All right. So in 2 minutes, this should go off in 2 minutes, and it's like doing the rainbow. But it's supposed to be doing the rainbow. Yeah, see, it's changing through all the different colors. So give it a minute, and then you'll see the alarm. You'll hear the alarm. There you go. As you can see, when the alarm goes off, it starts flashing. Alright, Alexa, dismiss. Bam, too easy. Alexa, set Bunny to red.
Okay.
And there you go. Too easy, too easy. And like I said, I just wanted to run through a few of the features there. So other features you could do, like I said, you could set a routine. So like if you say you already have some routine set up in your Alexa app, you could like say when it's time to go to sleep, you could tell them and say, hey, so every time you say good night, it automatically goes to red, and you have it set to as a dim red light for the kids in the room, so it can just set the mood or whatever. Also, like I said, you can set the percentage on it. You want to have it 100%. You want to have it 20%. You could dim the light, dim it with commands straight with Alexa. Like I'm going to show you. I'm going to dim it to 20%. All right, Alexa, set Bunny to 20%.
Okay.
You see that? Alexa, set Bunny to 100%.
Okay.
Bam. Too easy, too easy. So basically, like I said, you know, you can set it to different colors or whatever, and like say tap on it and change colors and all that good stuff. It's just up to you. It's up to you what you want to do with it. But I think this is pretty cool. You know, if you have kids, you know, something make bedtime a little bit more fun. You know, pick up one of these Echo Glows. All right, all right. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, be notified of new videos. And like I said in the beginning of the video, once to tell you about some giveaways. Once we hit that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm gonna start doing giveaways on some of the products I review right here on the channel. All right. So when we get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. So tell a friend, subscribe. As soon as we get them 2,000 subscribers, we're gonna get it moving. We're gonna get it popping. All right. All right. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. And let me see. Message for the day is, don't forget to have fun. Alright? That's the message for the day. Don't forget to have fun. But when you're having fun, be responsible when you're having fun now. Don't go overboard having fun. But don't forget to have fun from time to time. You know what I'm saying? But don't go overboard, alright? That's the message for the day. This has been your boy Mark for Loose School Reviews. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. Alexa, set Bunny to disco.
Okay.